Dual degree in electrical engineering from IIT Bombay in 2005 and MBA from WHU Otto Bishim School of Management in 2011 and MBA from Indian School of Business, Hyderabad in 2011. Mohit is involved in hospitals, group business development, strategy, financing and operations. His contribution to his hospitals include establishment of Sony CT and MRI scan centers in PPP, public-private and public-private partnership mode in SMS Medical College and Hospital. He has installed first digital 3 Tesla MRI in India. With his guidance, the hospital manages to provide CT scan and MRI scan at the lowest subsidized rates worldwide. The hospital runs 9 dialysis centers across Rajasthan in PPP mode in government district hospitals, doing 1300 plus dialysis monthly. For 2 consecutive years, Mohit was awarded Global Healthcare Excellence Awards by Primetime Research Media Private Limited in 2018 and 2019. We congratulate Mohit and I request Professor Chaudhary to do the honors.
The citation reads, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay presents the Young Alumnus Achiever Award 2021 to Mohit Soni, dual degree 2005 Electrical Engineering, in recognition of his outstanding contributions in the field of healthcare services at such a young age, signed on March 10, 2021. Congratulations to Mohit.
Wait, please.
Honored Chief Guest, Mr. Rajesh Gopinathan, respected Professor Chaudhary, respected Professor Joshi, IITB faculty and my dear friends. I am truly honored and thankful to receive this award from my alma mater. There are no words with which I can express my gratitude here. IIT Bombay holds a very special place in my heart, as I'm sure it does for most of the people here. We are proud of our institute, and I'm thankful to God for enabling me to come out here today despite a pandemic which is raging on. The lessons I learned from my experiences at IIT Bombay, the classes with the faculty, the hostel time with my peers, they are invaluable. This award is an honor that I think I will always treasure all throughout my life. Obviously, this would not have been possible without the support of my family, who actually encouraged me to come here. So my parents, Dr. Bia Soni, Dr. Anju Soni, my better half Neha, and my brother Namit and his wife Prerna. They have supported me in all my endeavors, and I thank them for standing with me all throughout. As some of you know, I work in hospitals and health delivery. The past year has been a whole new transformative experience for the institute, for myself, for everyone. We have struggled, and by we I mean all of us. But you know what? We've all overcome. That's the power of IIT Bombay. For this preparation, I guess I have to thank the people who are responsible, my faculty, my guides, Professor Manjunath and Professor N. Hemchandra, my professors, Professor Chaudhary, Professor Abhay Karandikar, Professor U.B. Desai, Professor Gadre, Professor G.K. Srinivasan. There are a lot more. And due to lack of time, obviously I can't name everyone, but what I can say that, things were tough in IIT, but we strove through. I am indebted to the IIT Bombay environment and the peers who helped me become what I am today. I am paraphrasing one of our distinguished alumnus awards. I am here today because we stand on the shoulders of giants. Let me just share a small memory with you. So this is first year of IIT Bombay. You had to take a swimming extracurricular activity, NSO. I chose swimming. And to pass the exam, we had to swim for a minimum of 6 hours. 7 hours if you want, you'll get a t-shirt, and 12 hours was the entire event. Now at that time, I weighed 105 kilograms. Believe me, it was daunting to say the least. We started. My hostel mates, peers, they came to cheer me on. For example, my roommate Mehra came, Ankur Gupta came, many others, midnight. After my peers came, it's at every point in time, you want to give up. Because it's been few hours, you're tired, you already got the t-shirt. So why do you want to do the full 12 hours? But you keep going through. And what's the lesson? So you can put this down on a piece of paper, have the support of friends and just keep struggling and be perseverant and you'll succeed. But there's a difference between saying it and there's a difference between experiencing it. Thanks to the wonderful people at this institute, we experienced it. This is not a memory of anything which is academic. This is a non-academic memory, but it's a powerful memory. I made similar such memory with most of my faculties, how to sit down for exams. They pushed us, but they made us perseverant and hardworking. They taught us successes, and our failures, they motivated us at that time. This is just a small flavor of the things that we had at IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay has not just me, but as we saw a lot of people, they have created not just great researchers, but great leaders as well. And that's why I must say that for my IIT Bombay experience, I am forever obliged. Thank you all for this award, but more importantly, thank you all for the invaluable lessons that IIT Bombay gave me that are still helping me and to many, many others today. Thank you and have a good evening.
So it's my pleasure to introduce another young alumnus achiever